What's up guys, it's me Jimmy, a geek. I'm literally very much excited. I could not control my excitement because the PowerDirector 17 is here by Cyberlink. I'm a huge fanboy. Right now I'm testing my new phone, the Huawei Honor Note 10, which have a front facing 4K selfie camera, so it means that I can travel around the world and record in 4K travel video. Isn't that awesome? Thanks to the PowerDirector. The power of the PowerDirector. I do not need to waste my time on learning really high. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm an advanced user. I know Sony Vegas. Last Sony Vegas I use Sony 13. I'm an advanced user. My background is from programming, IT, multimedia design. I know Photoshop. I know Adobe Illustrator. I have a tongue problem, okay? I know crawl, draw. I know the graphic design. So that is the point I'm trying to make, is that a person who is already qualified in Adobe Premiere Pro, I don't like using. The rendering time is absolutely horrible. I'm a person who like taking like a yoga book, this one. I mean, it's only 10-inch. It have like an Intel Atom processor. It's very light. Or I like carrying with me the GPD Pocket. I'm gonna buy the GPD Pocket. Too. I want something absolutely light when I travel. But the good thing about the PowerDirector is that it run on the lower end model also, thanks to the SVRT. If you don't know, SVRT is a rendering time, which means that if your video is like 5 minutes, only like 1 minute edit you did is only going to render the 1 minute. Rest of the 4 minutes it do not require rendering. So the rendering time is absolutely fast. Again, no one can beat the PowerDirector in the rendering time. Again, no one. I'm literally very much excited, and then they replaced the audio wave editor within the software, which is called audio editor now. So I don't need to, for example, before I was going to sync my audio and increase or put some reverb on my audio, I need to right click and then edit with audio wave, so it open the audio wave application. Now no need, because I can edit my audio within the PowerDirector 17. Also, there's some new intro titles. I love PowerDirector. I'm a huge fan, but so I'm literally very much excited. If you are going to edit video, you're not using the PowerDirector, I don't know what to say. Again, PowerDirector 17, I will be throwing the link in the description box, but no one is paying me. I'm a hardcore PowerDirector user for more than 10 years. 2008, I was introduced to PowerDirector 17. I'm a hardcore PowerDirector fan, but I love Cyberlink. I love their Cyberlink. Sweet. The DVD player I used to use back in the day. So what are you waiting for? Just grab it and click the card button for my review. It was me, Jimmy.